Hello everybody, it's Mick from Jester Bushcraft with another vlog episode. I'm after your help today. You may recall on a previous video I did a little micro adventure and I went snorkeling, and whilst I was snorkeling I found what I thought was a musket ball. Now, my understanding is that a musket ball is made of lead, and I wasn't convinced that what I found was made of lead, but it was very crudely made, or that's how it appeared. Whether that's because it's just been underwater for however many years and it's just corroded away, I don't know. I did find two other sort of ball bearing type balls, and they were just sort of discoloured, rusted. I mean, they may have only been down there for a few weeks or a few months or maybe a year, I don't know. But this bigger ball was definitely very crudely made. I was quite pleased with it, and it went on my finds shelf with all my other snorkeling finds. However, the other day I was just showing my lad what I've found, and I looked on the shelf, and the very crudely made what I thought was a musket ball had completely disintegrated. It had just fallen to bits. Now I'm guessing that it's dried out while it's been underwater. Obviously it's been wet, but once I've fished it out and put it on the shelf, it's dried out, and over time it's just dried out to the point where it's just disintegrated. I will put a photo up showing you. Although it's disintegrated into little bits, it's broken into little segments, like the ball's broken into like an orange almost, but in quarters, very definite quarters, as you'll see on the photo. So my question is, what is it, or what was it? Was it a musket ball made out of something else? Does lead eventually corrode? I don't think it does. Or was it just some kind of ball bearing or some other kind of metal ball that was used in a piece of machinery, or I just don't know. So if anybody has any idea, or if you know exactly what that is, then please leave a comment down below. However, if you think you know what it might be, leave a comment below. And if you just want to have a guess, then leave a comment below, because I'll be interested to know what you think it might be. I've had a look on Google, but it's difficult to do a search for something like that. It wasn't bringing much up. So yeah, so that's today's vlog episode. I just wanted to know if you may know what that little ball was. So yeah, if you can help me out on that one, that'd be great. You may notice in the back I've got some wooden framework there. That's a continuation of a shelving unit I'm doing, which I'm going to clad in pallet wood, obviously, because I've got a bit of a problem with pallet wood. So yeah, I'm just going around to me mum and dad's now. I've just bought myself a miter saw, an electric miter saw, to make life a little bit easier, and we'll see how we get on with that. So yeah, like I say, if you got an idea what it is, then please leave a comment below. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hitting the little icon up there, and don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. I have got it.